Apa? Tu lah, I tengah tengok map ni kat Botanic Garden. Di mana Taman Serasi Food Court? So guys, unfortunately, Taman Serasi Food Court dah tak ada lagi guys. Okay, it was demolished. Okay, tapi apa yang ada dekat sini is Sprouts Food Place. You are here, okay? This is the entrance, okay guys. So, in the past, yang famous dekat Taman Serasi adalah Roti John. Okay, especially abang-abang kita, kakak-kakak kita, pakcik-pakcik, makcik-makcik kita mesti teringat suasana dahulu bila diorang datang sini makan Roti John. Tapi jangan teringat, agaknya yang ada teringat romantik kan, dulu bersama dating dekat Taman Bunga. Alhamdulillah, I'm sure that you guys are now married and have a lot of anak-anak yang soleh dan soleha, cucu-cucu semua. Alhamdulillah. Tapi kalau you teringat you nak makan Roti John, I'm glad to share that kita punya outlet kat sini, Abang Baik Pondok Abang, sudah bermula menjual Roti John. Kenapa? Kerana kita selalu dapat banyak feedback. Kau tak jual Roti John dekatnya Botanic Garden? So Alhamdulillah kita dah jual Roti John kat sini. We are not saying that kita orang the original Roti John macam Taman Serasi, bukan. Tapi we have brought our own style of Roti John here. Dan there are 3 different types of Roti John here. Roti John biasa, Roti John cheese dan Roti John overloaded. So sekejap lagi ni I nak makan Roti John overloaded. Okay, so stay tune. You tengok macam mana Roti John overloaded and I will give my honest feedback because I pun sendiri nak test, nak makan sendiri, nak rasa daripada mulut I sendiri ni macam mana I punya team bikin. Okay guys, come let's go. So guys, this is the Roti John overloaded. Let us try. Okay guys. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma barik lana bima razaqtana wa qina azabannar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's an explosion of flavors guys, okay? Of course, when you ask for overloaded, you dapat banyak sauce lah. You boleh beli yang normalnya, cheese ataupun yang regularnya, there won't be any sauce lah. Because some people, they prefer with a lot of sauce. Some people don't. So it depends on your preference, okay guys? So kalau you nak cuba, you boleh cuba dekat all 3 of our Abang Baik Pondok Abang outlets, at Abang 448, Abang 925 and also Abang Mandi, okay guys? So we look forward to serving you Roti John Special.
Order now on Grab.
The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.